That was a total of $194. Wow, that might be a new record. And look at this. Whew. Piles of snow. That's the best time to go to the Goodwill. It's a double XL Harley shirt. It's only $6. Looks a little stretched out though. I think I'm gonna put that back. Man, they are stocked up on hair and nail products. Some straighteners, Conair, shiny styles. I don't know a whole lot about these. I really just now started to look through them and the different brands. So I think I'm gonna take a minute and then comp a few of these out, and I'll get back with you if I pick something up. All right, so ended up picking up this Conair Nano Silver. It's worth about $30. They want $5. This was a True Beauty flat iron. Not the best brand, but it looks really nice. There's several of this brand that sold in the $20 range, but most of them were just a flat color. I think I can get 25 out of this, or at least ask for it. And then this one needs cleaned up, but maybe a bolo here. It's a Cricket straight iron, just a plain black with the rotating cord. These sell in the range of 35 to $40, but this is dirty. Definitely needs to be cleaned up, but works just fine. I picked up this miniature curling iron, kind of a travel thing. It's a Sultra. This it doesn't sell for much, about $10. They're asking $5, but a lot of them had a really nice sell-through rate. And then I found these Sunbeam curlers. It has some parts to it. Plug-in travel case. They wanted $6 for it. So not too bad. These sell in the range of 25 to 40 depending. And then I got this and another aisle here. 20 years of Barber dimes. This is just the case. It does not have a very high sell-through rate, but just the empty case is listed a couple times for $70. And the coins that go in this case sell all day, every day for $30 to $40 a piece. Someone's gonna need a case. And then I found 4 of these. These are brand new Speedos mesh equipment bags. These sell used all day for $20 a piece. They want $3. I got 4 that are brand new. And then a JanSport American flag pattern bag. They're asking $8. These typically sell for $15. I think this pattern will get $20. It also has a leather bottom, so I could take it up to $25 or $30 possibly. This was something in the toy aisle, maybe also a bolo. It's a Kmart brand Rawhide Junior Pro baseball glove. It's worth $15 to $30 with a pretty high sell-through rate. Nice fused pocket there. I think people would see this as an off-brand, and then a lot of people will not identify that K. They don't know what that means. So those of you that haven't been alive for 40 years, K means Kmart. That's good. And then a Mickey Mouse lunchbox. It's a off-brand. I know it's a little older. They want $7. These sell for $15 to $20. Some baby Adidas. It's a Conair Cool Keeper hair dryer. This is an Italian hair dryer. So Baby Bliss Pro. This little thing here I'm hiding from my wife. I'm gonna give that to her in a minute, but she's gonna love that. If she gets over here, I'm gonna show you. And I just found these Nike high top Air Max. They're wanting $12.99. These run 35 to 40. I think I can strip them out and shine them up. Okay, here, watch this.
It's a gnome and it's a UT gnome. How cute.
Yeah, told you. Two more things here. Aggravation game has all the parts. This is a pretty popular game. This is from 1988. Sells all day for about 20 bucks. And I picked up another Chinese checkers. This is from 1976. It has all the pieces, but I'm looking for marbles for one from the 60s that I'm trying to complete. And they got Scooby-Doo lunchbox from the 80s. Missing the thermos, but could be worth about $20. They're asking $5. And a brand new Disney Stitch, $3.99. Sells for 15 to 20 all day, every day. And that's pretty much it. I think we're, well, I have some stuff. We have two buggies. So we come over to this buggy. Oh,
it's brand new.
Nice pickup.
It's from the parks.
Brand new Disney Parks hat. That's important. $30 hat, new with tags. Probably get $30 or more. And then this was a neat one.
You're listening to ENN, or Elf News.
North Pole Radio, $4. Sells all day for $18. Still sells even though it's after Christmas. She picked up several nice intimate items, which you can find below in our second eBay store. This one was pretty cool. I was hoping she'd keep it, but yeah, you know.
That's it.
Oh, and then this was a Pampered Chef. It was on potpourri bowl.
Breakfast sandwich maker.
A breakfast sandwich maker. It's pretty heavy glass. Weighs about 2 pounds.
And that one's an egg poacher for the microwave.
Okay. Yep. Pampered Chef egg poacher. What are these worth?
They're usually about 15. The sandwich maker is more, but I can't remember.
So about $45 worth of stuff. And then a Titans Stack 'em Titans Jenga game, I guess, tabletop stacker game.
They're about
pretty
$15
cool.
to $20 a piece.
May keep that.
Be careful,
Kinda
there's
mad at 'em.
breakables.
Oh, and then she found a couple more mini wallets.
Harry
Bradley's.
Potter.
Okay.
Potter and
Harry Potter. Is it Vera Bradley Harry Potter? That's cool. And then a penguin wallet. She listed one of these last weekend and it sold the next morning for about 20 bucks. It was a little bigger than I thought. These plates are for us. That matches our set. And then this was a set of Precious Moments, a train set. And so she actually found these in different areas of the store, just kind of randomly placed out. But
it's easily $30.
yeah, easily about 30 bucks for all of those pieces together in that set train. It'd be fun to list. So anyway, big day today, probably a couple $100, but I'll let you know after we check out. I grabbed a couple more things on the way to check out, but this is a Formula One Racing Las Vegas Grand Prix. This year was their inaugural year, and this hat's new with tags. Sells all day for about 30 bucks. They're asking for $3. And then found this toboggan. It was turned inside out. I flipped it up and it's a Zoo York. Pretty rare pattern. They want $3. Sells for about $20 to $30. All right. So we're out of the checkout with 2 buggies full of stuff. That was a total of $194. Wow, that might be a new record. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, and get my backdrop there, and this trip to the Goodwill, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Let me drive to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. I gained about 10 last week. So thanks everyone who liked and commented. Had some good conversation in the chat. It's a loud truck over here. But all I gotta say is, after that trip, I need some good damn water. Good damn water is also my coupon code. If you buy something in my eBay store, you get 5% off. Small amount, but it's off your first order out of my store. So you can use that when you check out. All of our links and stuff are below. Find me on Instagram. I put a reel out on my Facebook store this week, all under Good Water Pickers. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Ring that bell and select to receive content. You do have to have a YouTube account. So if you're watching this, you need someone to set up an account for you. Typically, you can use your Google account if you have a Google account. But do that, subscribe, and thank you again, and we'll see you again next time.